Hey everybody, JMA here. I wanted to talk to you guys about the National Park Service ranger that had tased a man that was holding his dog while he stepped off of the, the park path there at the Petroglyph National Monument in New Mexico. Now, a couple things I think here. The officer had a lot of restraint in talking to this guy, and he's walking around. But some of his wording that he said in there got me a little bit confused. I don't know if he was detained, if he wasn't detained. But the main portion of this, does the National Park Service have the ability to detain you when you step off or violate one of their rules? Not a law, but a rule. Is their rule backed by federal law? More than likely, but I haven't had a chance to look it up and find it. So if you do know that, or if you do see it, then nps.gov is their website, and you want to put it down there, I'll be glad to add it to the, look at that. Did you see that guy walking over here? Look at that guy. Well, I'll be able to add that to that video there so you guys can get some education on that. But let's take a look at this video. I'll talk to you soon.
Hey, Park Ranger, I just need to talk to you about the off-trail stuff, okay? You guys got to stay on the trail, all right? And then also, sorry, I'm out of breath. I was trying to haul to keep up with you guys. When you're up along the rocks and all that, that's super sacred to the tribes. They don't want anybody up there. And then we get a lot of graffiti as well, okay? What's that?
We don't do that. We respect this.
Okay, that's awesome. I'm just telling you the rules, okay? So, and also it's really, really important not have pets off the trail as well, okay? So even like right here, we're not on the trail. We really should be along the fenced-in trail area, trying to kind of let this get natural and revegetated again, okay? Does that make sense? Okay. Do you guys have IDs with you? I don't intend on writing any.
No.
Sir, you're not free to go right now. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hey, bud, listen, you're not free. Do not do it like this, okay? Please don't be like that. Please don't be like that. This is just a simple contact that is honestly a warning. I don't expect it being more than that, okay? So all I need, make sure that we haven't talked about it in the past.
You don't need my identification, sir.
Sir, let's don't go down that road, okay?
I'm already going down that road.
Okay, that's fair enough. Do you have an ID with you, ma'am?
I don't have my ID.
You don't? Okay, that's no problem. If I could just get your name. Sir, I don't want to have to tell you again. You're not free to go. Do not get crazy with me, okay?
I'm not getting crazy, sir.
So this can go really simple. I understand that. Thank you for your service. Thank you.
I just want to walk and enjoy this hike.
And I'd like everyone to be
here on holiday from
Okay.
North Carolina, okay? So can you just let us be? We're going to go find the trail. There was a group of people coming in, so I didn't want to interact with them.
Okay, all right.
Because I know we're social distancing.
Okay.
So...
Okay. So that's simply, so you're not free to go. Please do not walk away like that.
Mine is Fiona.
Thanks, Fiona. Did you guys drive here?
No, we didn't drive here.
Can you spell that for me? Is it F?
I-O-N-A.
Okay.
Thanks. B-A-N-K.
Okay, thanks. Do you have a middle, Fiona?
No.
Okay. And then what's your date of birth?
December 12th, 1994.
Happy, just recent birthday.
Mm-hmm.
Is your driver's license out of New Mexico?
No.
What state?
I think in Minnesota.
Okay. Is that the most recent ID you've had?
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty, thanks. So I've got Fiona Banks, 12/12/94, in probably Minnesota. Okay. Alright, sir. I really just want to restart this. This is not a big deal. Like I said, this is a simple warning.
You're making it a big deal.
No, I'm just doing my job, sir. This is literally my job, to serve and protect this area, okay? This is sacred to a ton of folks. We get a lot of visitors. Unfortunately, it doesn't get treated that well, and so I've got to be out here protecting it, okay? This is very simple. I run you. I make sure that we haven't talked about it before. If we have, maybe it's a more official warning or a citation, or you have to go to court, etc. If we've never talked about this before, no harm, no foul. You're educated, and I'm out of here. Does that make sense?
You're not getting my identification, sir.
Okay. That's no problem. Do you know his name? Do you know his name?
Yeah.
Okay. What is his name?
Gerald.
Thank you. Is that with a G, sir?
It's a J.
Okay. Do you mind spelling that for me then?
J-E-R-A-L-D.
Alrighty. Thank you, sir. And your last name?
No, let's go.
Sir, I can sit here all day. It's not going to work, okay? I'm just. I mean, do you have a warrant or something? What's your concern?
I don't have a warrant.
Okay, then what's your concern?
You don't need my identification, sir.
So this is a law enforcement action, and I do need to identify you.
Native Americans and the government and law don't mesh well. You know that.
Okay. Well,
we've had our differences before.
I absolutely.
You're on our land.
Sir, I sympathize with any of that, but this is simply a law enforcement action today. And you just need to provide your name, and we're done.
Gerald, you got my name.
And what's your last name, sir?
You don't need my last
I
name.
need to fully identify you.
Humphrey.
Thank you.
Sound it out.
H-U-M-P-H-R-E-Y?
That's how you sound it out.
And then, do you have a middle initial, sir?
I don't.
Okay. And your date of birth? That's just how, that's the only way the dispatch?
1989.
All right. Thank you very much. I just need to clear with dispatch, and then we'll be out of here, okay? And I appreciate your cooperation. Thank you both. Sir, please do not walk away. Did you guys drive here? Hey, bud, will you get a hold of Wineland, have him meet me at the trailhead behind Valvoline? Yeah, and then I need to run one really quick. This is last of Humphrey, H-U-M-P-R... no, there's got to be H. H-U-M-P-H-R-E-Y. Yeah, let's follow. Is Gerald. He gave me J-E-R-A-L-D, and then it's 4/20/89. Hey, what state would he be out of? Have him get over here. This dude doesn't want to ID himself. And then you can try this Humphrey out of North Carolina. Yep. Might as well try. I think he's from out of state, though. Okay, thank you. Bye. Yeah, you can try my phone. I don't know if it'll work. Okay, thanks, bye. Sir, what state is your driver's license out of? Okay. So, let me get this straight. You'd like to escalate this contact into refusing to identify yourself, and then in which case you're going to be detained until I can ID you? I'm asking you, if you do not want to identify yourself, I just need your full information, and if you don't want to ID yourself...
I don't want to ID myself.
Okay. So, that would be refusing a lawful order. You understand that? And then you'll be detained until I can ID you. Do you understand that?
You're not going to touch me.
Do you understand that? Alright, sir, go ahead and please give her the dog.
My dog ain't going anywhere.
Sir, please give her the dog.
My dog ain't going anywhere.
Okay, here's what I need you to do. Stop right now, sir. Stop walking. Stop walking or you may be tased. Stop walking.
Please.
Put the dog down right now.
Please, sir.
Put the dog down right now. Put the dog down right now. Sir.
I'm scared when
I don't understand. Can you ask him to put the dog down, please?
Why are you doing this?
Can you please ask him to put the dog down?
Help!
Sir.
Help! Help!
Stop! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Do it now! Show me your hands! 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 Do it now! Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
I don't have anything!
Show me your hands!
I don't have anything!
Show me your hands!
I don't have anything, sir!
Okay, show me your hands. Put them behind your back.
I don't have anything!
Show me your hands. That's all you have to do. Put your hands behind your back. Do them now. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
I'm a peaceful person, sir.
Put your hands behind your back now. Please. Do it now.
Please. Please.
Give me your hands.
Please.
Give me your hand, buddy.
What do you want from me?
Give me your hands.
What do you want?
Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
My hands.
Sir.
Sir, I'm not. I'm not doing anything!
Sir.
You're escalating this.
Sir.
You're escalating this and I don't...
Turn around right now. Turn around and put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Do it now.
Please, sir.
Do it now.
Sit.
Sit down. Sit down.